So we're going to add in an instrument. Here we can see from the browser, above the word drums, there's the word sounds. And I'm going to put in a sound. Okay, marimba. Okay, I'm going to take in a marimba into track. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to drag across 4 of these columns, 4 bars. And I'm going to right click and insert an empty MIDI clip. This time, I'm going to play notes. Now, in order to make it easier for myself, I want to make sure that everything sounds in the same key. If you don't know music theory, don't worry, because here on the left side, I'm going to switch on this button called scale, and I'm going to choose A, and I'm going to choose minor. And once I choose A minor, it lights up all the blue notes which are A minor. So long as I play notes, as I draw in notes into these blue spaces, I will have notes that are compatible with A minor. I'm just going to draw in . Oh, that doesn't work. I drew a wrong note. Okay, I click it again, it disappears. I have an easier way of doing this. If I click on this scale button, it hides all the white ones. So no matter what I write, it will be in A minor. Okay, what does this nonsense sound like? Very random, because literally it was random. Let me switch off the little thing here, right? This little pencil tool, so I can select and delete. I should actually draw in. Let me switch on the pencil tool again. I should draw in something with a more of a pattern. Then I will have something. It will sound more like real. Okay, so if I draw in so I'm actually trying to draw in a pattern. So look, there's a pattern, right? Hopefully it sounds better this time.